Food that is highly processed will make you sicker than the same calories, same nutrients if they're cooked at home. The point that you could guide your eating based on a single nutrient is just absolutely insane. But we've done that as a society. I just really encourage people to eat food and think of it as food. This is the distillation of everything I learned about food and nutrition. Eat food, not too much, mostly plants. There's nothing evil about eating meat. It's good, nutritious food, but we eat too much of it. Too much for the planet and too much for ourselves. Unless you're going to change the system, you're not going to be able to tackle obesity and type 2 diabetes. You're not going to be able to tackle food insecurity in urban areas. This is a public health crisis, and it doesn't get treated that way. And it's absolutely addressable. We, as a nation, create the incentives for farmers. We should be scoring them for their impact on public health and their impact on the environment. There's a lot of policy work to be done. And places like this can do it.